My God, it came out just like the way I envisioned it in my head. Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see from the title, today I'm making my vision board. I did make just digital vision board, so now I want to make the real thing. And I know I've been like yapping and yapping about it, probably in the video coming up, but anyway. So with the vision board, I wanted to do like a frame. I saw this guy on YouTube do one, and it looks so cool. It looked really nice, and I was like, yeah, I want to do a frame. But with that being said, like, so this is the frame that I chose. I just got this from thrift store. I didn't really want to invest, like, I didn't really want to put like too much money in a frame, and I knew I could find one, like, you know. So I got this, and so basically, like, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this picture that's inside out and then put my own photos for my vision board. And yeah, I hope you guys are able to get like some inspiration. Let me know if you have, you know, have you guys like done your vision board yet? Let me know what your goals are. I'm really excited to like see what everybody, like, you know, everybody's goals are. Like, I know we always like make vision boards, and I really hope that this year is gonna be the year for me. I'm not playing this year, so hence why, like, I'm being real serious about my vision board and how I want to go about, you know, with my goals and stuff like that. But anyway, let's get to it. I might sit up a little bit, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like flip you guys so you're able to like see everything. So you're not really gonna see much of me anymore from here on out. And basically that's it. Okay. Alright, so I already got my pictures printed. As you guys know, I already like wrote my goals in a book. Like, I basically like wrote like a letter almost, like in like, this is the type of person I want to be by the end of 2025. And then I did like a plan thing, like on how I'm gonna go about accomplishing my goals and stuff like that. And then of course I have like, you know, like regular like basically like a regular plan on how I'm about to go with all my goals and stuff like that. But anyway, here are all the pictures. I printed out like actual photos because I really want this to look really nice. I'm gonna put it on my wall somewhere here in my living room next to my study desk, so that everything, so I really want the pictures to like look like really good. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here's the inside. So I do have like a photo of how I did it digitally, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put it the same way. I do like how it looks, so I'm just gonna pull up that picture and kind of just make this how I would want it. Like, this is how I have it. I have like my thingy already, so yeah, it should all be set. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put this on the side, and then basically like we're gonna put all the pictures on here. Okay, like that. So let's get started. So I don't have glue. I should have gotten some glue, but I do have tape. So I think what I'll do is I'll just put some tape on all of them. Okay, let me start with that. Alright, so I'm gonna pull up my picture again. So this is it. So the 10K is like up here. This way, okay. Consistency, discipline is right here. Short-term discomfort for long-term. Is that it? That ain't even on here. Okay, I think this is done. It's already red. Okay, so here we are. Oh, I'm cute. Okay. I need to clean it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just stick this in there. Tie these down. Push them down. Are you kidding me? Okay, so quick tip, make sure you really press these out when you're like pressing them out, because anyway. ready for these. Y'all not ready for this. Y'all not ready. It looks so good. I'm trying to get a little shorts, okay? Stop it. Stop it. Okay, you ready? You ready? Ta-da! The lighting is gonna like, okay. Yeah, see that? Oh my god. Okay, because I'm trying to like, the light keeps reflecting on the glass, but how gorgeous! Oh my god. It came out just like the way I envisioned it in my head. Exactly like it. Oh my god, I love it. Let me go ahead and clean it up a little bit. Ended up having to, so you can kind of see it, but because it's clear tape, it's not that bad, but you can kind of see it. But how gorgeous is that? Be for real. Like, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I want to be able to see it every single day, right here in my little study table. Yeah, see my table. So like, when I'm over here sitting here working hard, I can see. Okay, how gorgeous. Do not play with me right now. Do not play with me right now. But yeah, that's it, guys. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy that content. Down below if you want to make something like this, if you're gonna try to make this, let me know, and like, you know, tell me, comment down below what your goals are for 2025, and let me know if you're gonna try making like a vision board with like a frame though. I feel like if this frame, like if the rim was in black, it would have ate, but it's alright. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.